Welcome, Mana Ohana. I'm Cari, and today we're making the Teremana Holiday Punch. When you're making drinks for a larger gathering, whenever we're safely able to do that, a pre-batch punch is a really great way to be able to serve your guests quickly or let them serve themselves so that you yourself have time to entertain and host the event. To make our Teremana Holiday Punch, you'll need a punch bowl, of course, and the following ingredients. First, 12 ounces of Teremana Blanco tequila, which is the most important part of the punch. That's about half the bottle, but I'm still gonna measure it. Next, you're gonna need 6 ounces of cinnamon syrup, which you're gonna have to pre-make yourself. Making cinnamon syrup sounds a little intimidating, but I promise you it's super easy. Take 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar in a saucepan on the stove, add 4 sticks of cinnamon, and bring it to a boil. Then you let it cool down and just remove those cinnamon sticks and put it in a bottle in your fridge until you're ready to make your punch. Next, we're gonna use 8 ounces of pomegranate juice. Ooh, it looks good already. 4 ounces of fresh lime juice. Now make sure that you squeeze it yourself because fresh juice makes all the difference. 1 lime gives about 1 ounce of juice, so for this punch, you'll need about 4 to 5 limes. And lastly, 12 dashes of orange bitters. Now, orange bitters you can find at your supermarket pretty easily, and we use bitters because bitters is like seasoning to cocktails the way salt and pepper is to food. Let's mix this all together, and then we're just gonna add 6 ounces of water just for a little dilution. Add our ice. Now, as I'm stirring, the ice is melting a little. I'm putting more water into the punch so that it doesn't kick your guests in the teeth. Perfect. For punches, it's really important to make them beautiful since it is a centerpiece of your table. So let's decorate our punch with some fresh pomegranate seeds and some beautiful orange wheels. We just want to float them on top, make it look really pretty. And lastly, some whole cinnamon sticks right on top to make a really beautiful and festive looking punch. And I think even our Teremana founder, Dwayne Johnson, would love this. So there you have it, our Teremana Holiday Punch. Perfect for your next party or your socially distant gathering. Thanks for watching, and be sure to bring the mana this holiday season.